I just destroy these new PSG Air Jordan 1s? No.
What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Back again with an episode of
Dad and Son.
Kicks and Cooking.
And today, I'm going to start with two words.
Two.
Sneakers Day.
Yes.
Y'all familiar with that?
Not at all.
So, Sneakers Day is upon us. It's coming up.
Yes.
It's basically Nike's anniversary celebration of the sneakers app. They do it every year for the past 4 years on August 8th. So it's right around the corner. And the way they celebrate that day is really access to the hottest sneaker releases of the past 12 months.
Oh.
So it's kind of like a restock happening.
Okay.
It doesn't guarantee that you're going to be able to purchase because we know how that goes.
Yeah, it's going to be hype.
Hype. And there's already like this crazy tight lip by Nike, the employees, things like that. But the way they do it is in the app, there's going to be like Easter eggs, hidden links throughout the app itself.
Nice.
So you'll have to like go in and engage with the content to maybe click on something that'll take you to possible access to a certain shoe.
That's cool.
So it's like all kinds of, just kind of, stuff going on with that.
Whole Easter egg hunt.
Yeah, exactly.
Shoes.
So nobody knows exactly how it's going to go down, but it's coming up and it's going to be exciting.
It is.
So, and that's a good thing because they're talking about re-releasing like the Mocha 1s.
Oh, I know a lot of people wanted those.
The Amamanier 3s, possibly.
I don't think we need any more of those.
I mean,
you have them. Mommy Seed has them.
Keep re-releasing them. I'll get a couple more pair. Yeah, we do. I
I
love
think we
them.
need to just have an Amamanier family.
It's my favorite shoe.
I know it is. I do love it. I mean, it's a great shoe, of course. Yes.
If you haven't seen how we feel about the Amamanier 3s, go back and watch that video.
In fact, while you're down there, click that subscribe button and that like button so we can keep bringing you all this fresh sneaker news and you can be the first one on it.
All right, so now that that's out of the way, we've covered the Sneakers Day that's coming up, and we're talking about restocks.
Now, it's my turn. Step out of here.
One second. We're going to talk about how we came up on a recent restock.
We came up on a recent restock of this shoe right here.
Let me say this. Pause for a second, Nigel. This is the benefit of having a sneakerhead for a dad. Because while you're doing your summer, just doing your thing, your dad is online
On the computer.
while working on the other computer and on my phone, like checking out releases. Ooh, these restock. Let me get these. Let me get that. Right? Let me get these in a size 12 for Bigfoot here. And then boom.
Guess what showed up on the doorstep? The shoe we're talking about today, which is the
Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort PSG. That's
Yes,
the Paris
sir.
Saint-Germain.
And I'm gonna show you. These are the best smelling shoes I've ever smelled. Smell these.
Can they
Smell them. You can smell them. You smell them, Dad? They smell.
They do smell really
immaculate.
good. Let's talk about the shoe, man. They can't. It's not a
friends.
scratch and sniff channel.
Now, my friends, the moment you've all been waiting for. The grand release. Oh my goodness!
Oh boy.
No! Did I
Destroy the packaging.
Did I just destroy these new PSG Air Jordan 1s?
No, you didn't destroy it. All right. For first, let's talk about the packaging, right? So they came in this nice new Nike Jordan minimalist box. No tissue paper. Well, actually, they were wrapped in like tissue paper.
Why are you giving my shoe?
Oh, you want to? Okay, go ahead. Go for it, man.
As I was saying, when you open this box, the first thing you'll find is this long piece of cardboard, which has Air Jordan on this side and some irrelevant stuff on this side.
Is it like stuff to care for the shoe, or what is
Stuff
that?
to care for the shoe, it seems. It says AJ1 Zoom Air CMFT. If you know what CMFT means, good for you. Now,
See, just like I always say, right? Caring for the shoe is irrelevant. You don't need to know how to care for the shoe.
I know how to care for some shoes, mister. Now, look at this beauty. Now, first look at this. You see we've got an amazing colorway. This like grayish, whitish,
Off-white.
Right, this is like kind of off-white. This off-white toe box right here with the off-white midsole. That's the mid with the white midsole down here, and the more off-white upper midsole. Is that what's called? I don't know. It's a cool kind of suede-ish like texture. But then you have this black over here as well. Black all around, and then up here, I love this. how the purple and pink kind of fade into each other. That PSG purple and PSG pink, you know what I mean?
Like the iridescent hits on the side.
Right, I love that. And then on the bottom, we've got the purple sole with the black outline. And now, part I love the most right here. Look at the back of this. Boom! You see that? That PSG logo on the back is reflective.
It is pretty awesome.
This is sick. You know what else is reflective? The check.
Very iridescent, reflective.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Did you like my choice?
I like that, man. It's very good.
Thank you.
And then also characteristic of the Zoom Comfort is all this extra padding.
Oh, of course.
Because if anybody out there has worn a pair of regular OG Jordan 1s, you know, all day, like you go to the park, you go to whatever, Disney, whatever, you wear them all day. They start out real nice. Midway, halfway throughout that day, you just start to wear a little bit. Your feet feel it. But these have a ton of extra padding on the insole.
Love it.
Around the tongue. All this section in here is like just more padding around the ankle and the collar of the shoe. And yeah, I think overall a beautiful shoe.
Now, Dad, while you're on the topic of amusement parks, think about this, right? Would this be a good amusement park shoe? Because, you know, some people when they go into amusement parks, they want to get put on the drippiest outfit they can find so they can go, you know, flirt with somebody, just look nice at the amusement park, you know what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
But some people want to have comfort. Some people just wear Crocs to an amusement park, which I wouldn't wear Crocs there. Actually, I did wear Crocs to the amusement park in 7th grade, so that's a lot. But not today, I really wouldn't. But, you know, I'm going to Hershey soon, right? And I was thinking I could wear these to Hershey. But then I was thinking back to when we went to Universal in LA, and I wore my Jordans there, and Nadia thought it was like a mosh pit on my shoes, and she was just stepping on them so much.
That's it.
And then the next day, I wore some shoes that weren't that nice. I wore like my Flyknit Vapor Maxes, and guess how many times they got stepped on?
None.
Donut. Zero.
That's how it goes, man. Nice shoes attract little kids' feet.
Exactly. So,
but
I probably wouldn't wear this to an amusement park.
No, I probably wouldn't. My take when I go to a park like that is, you know, like a good, whatever I have is like a running shoe.
Right.
Something that's got that good cushioning. If they get wet, if I step in puddles, somebody drop ice cream or whatever, I'm not crying. Because if I'm wearing any of these and then that happens, I'm in like tears in the middle of the park.
Yeah.
And, you know, might be a little. Yeah, I'm ready to fight. Somebody step on my feet in the lines because you know how crazy that gets. So, yeah, I would reserve that. I mean, you can put some protective spray on it or something, but when you come back from the park, they're not going to look like this anymore.
Not at all. Without
You'll be up late scrubbing them. So, yeah. So, anyway, that's my thoughts on that. The colorway I really like, too.
I love it.
And this is like, if you research, we'll put up the picture of it. The colorway for the PSG, like one of their newest soccer kits, is this colorway. It's like that black, iridescent pink and purple.
Yeah.
That was like their new uniform kit that came out this past January. So this is a new release, obviously. But again, restock on the sneakers app, caught a W, just on the humble.
Awesome.
It was like 3 or 4 pairs that were available that same day.
Right.
And people were going for, like, I think it was the day like the UNC dunks came out or something. And I was like, I know everybody's going for that. Let me go over here. This might be a little less desired.
Yeah.
Boom. Then Nigel ends up with a fresh pair of kicks.
That's great.
So there we go. You like them?
I love them.
Yeah? All right. So let's take a quick pause for a second and get to this kitchen. We're going to show you what we're cooking up real quick, and we'll come back and give you some on foot of this shoe.
Yeah.
So in the kitchen today, another good, easy meal, courtesy of HelloFresh. All the ingredients come in the box, ready to go. I love that. That's an easy dad way to make a meal. Everything is portioned, all your ingredients there. Just all you gotta do is follow the instructions. Nigel is chopping up some chives. We got some parsley. Already seasoned up the chicken breast to go in this balsamic tomato and herb chicken.
Yeah.
And we're just getting through this process. It says it should take approximately
35 minutes.
So this isn't a sponsored video by HelloFresh. But HelloFresh, feel free to holler at us. But there's a lot of other meal box companies out there that deliver everything to your house. The thing I love about them is being the chef of the house. I get, you know, kids asking every day, Daddy, what's for dinner? Mom, what's for dinner tonight? And I'm like, man, I don't want to think about it. I just really want to order in or something.
Yeah.
But this is a healthier approach. It is an easy, cost-effective, I feel, economic approach because it takes the guesswork out of it. You don't have to think about it. Perfect for dads.
And I like it because it's good.
Deep. spaghetti, prepackaged by HelloFresh. All right, 10 minutes of that. Next step, I gotta make some balsamic tomatoes. So we'll see what that entails. But I lost my sous chef. Nigel, come on back.
Hey.
Nice of you to show up.
Yeah, how's it going?
It's going great.
Good.
Can't you tell?
You know, I just wanted to see how well you could cook without me. Had to make sure you were okay, you know?
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good, man. So gracious. Thank you.
Anytime. Alright, you get the chicken, I'll get the noodles.
All right, look at that teamwork in full effect.
Yeah.
He might have left me for a little while, but I think he's trying to redeem himself in the kitchen.
No, I'm just trying to help out, you know?
Balsamic tomatoes over top of the chicken. All right, so I'm a fan of this fresh take and revamp on the Jordan 1.
Me too.
The comfort, I'm a big fan of. Again, just more comfort, more padding. Not mad at that at all. You're a fan of it?
I love it.
You
If
sure?
I had to give it a rating, I'd say 10 out of 10. This is a bomb shoe.
Whoa.
Amazing shoe, perfect shoe. I love everything about it. PSG, I love that team. I
Right.
love the players on there. It's a great shoe.
Who's your favorite soccer player?
Neymar.
Yeah. Who does
Yeah.
he play for? Who's he play for?
He plays for Brazil. Does he play for PSG still? You asked me that question, so now I'm like conflicted. I'm like, I know he plays for PSG, but then you asked me that question, and I'm like, does he
It
not
wasn't
play
a trick
for PSG
question.
or something?
It was for them, man.
Oh, okay, yeah, he plays for PSG. I was like, what, did he trade or something? Yeah, so he plays for PSG, and
Right.
I'm like,
It's your,
yeah.
your favorite player on the
Exactly.
team and the Nike collab.
Right.
You know.
So I loved it.
And these collabs I love with the PSG as well. They did a collab in 2018 with the Jordan 5 that I still got my eye on. I've been looking at it because it's like a nice all black Jordan 5. But then they did also the 4 earlier this year, and then the Jordan 6. That was, I think, in 2019, 2020. But anyway, love the PSG collab situation. The shoe is dope. You love it. So that's a big score for Daddy C.
Yeah, good job.
Delivered.
Good looks.
All right. So now, Nigel, give the people a little on foot, and we're going to take it out of here. All right?
Yeah.